In this video, I will show you how to make an account on Teespring. Go to Chrome browser. Type Teespring. Go to this site. You can make designs on shirts, hoodies, t-shirts and sell them online. You can design mobile covers as well. You have many options like leggings, pillowcases, bags and many more. Go to Start Designing. Add a name for your brand. Enter your email and set a password for your account. Add a short name for your store or shop. Select your work field. Connect any of your social account and continue. This is your store. Verify your account. Go to Gmail. Verify your mail. You can see the notification on the top that your account is verified now. Go to Settings. Edit your profile. Scroll down to see more options like changing email, changing password, connecting bank account. Go to Start Designing. Scroll down and select what product you want to design. You can start with any of these t-shirts. I'm selecting hoodies and sweatshirts. All information about each product is given. Start your work by selecting Start Designing. You will have a plain selected item in front of you to design. You can design it with pictures and texts. You can design pictures or stickers from Canva as well. Canva is a free website to make designs. Go to Add Image to select an image from your computer. Go to Add Text to type any text you want on the product. You can design both front and back of the selected product. I'm going to start designing my product. Go to Add Image, select the picture. Resize is according to your design. At the same time, you can preview your design. This is how your design looks on the product. Select Design to continue your work. Select Add Text and type your text. You can write your brand name or any short quote. Select Back to start designing back of the item. Resize and place your text. I'm going to make few changes on the front. That is the final look of my design. Now I will change the color of my product. Go to Choose Product Color, click on plus sign. You will have many colors to select for your product. The design will remain same but the color of the item will change. Click on Continue. Your design will be shown on many items. Click on Continue. Add a title and a description for your product. Scroll down. This is the image buyer will see. I want to change it into front. Go to Publish Listing. Now your product is ready to be sold.